Hi everybody, good morning and welcome to your iPhone Bloke YouTube channel where we help quality people to pick quality products. So in today's agenda, we will be taking forward the legacy of iOS 14.4 tutorial, and in this video segment, we'll be talking about one of those outstanding and yet very interactive iOS 14 feature which iOS 14 has launched recently, and that is known as smart screen. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to use your smart screen on your interface and how to play with it. So let's get started. So the first thing first, what we have to do, you have to go and click on any of the icons to make it eligible for edit home screen. So this is how I have done it, and now I have to go up with the plus sign and choose smart screen widget. Now once you go on smart screen option, you get smart stack. Now you have to click on smart stack. When you click that, you get three options. You get a smallish, semi-medium and a squarish. So let's say we select semi-medium and we press on add widget. Once you do that, you have to press the home button to make it a stable. Now with the help of this option which you're seeing on your screen on top in red color, this is known as smart screen. Now smart screen, you get multiple options to view your photos, calendar, weather, and so many things which you really need to stick to one tab to find the information. So this is how you add and play with smart stack. I hope you like the video information, and in case you do, give me a comment, thumbs up, subscribe, and help us grow and become better. Thank you so much for watching today, and take care.